So guys, we all know that this Hamster Kombat is a promising airdrop, and now we are to connect our wallet. Yes, we have to connect our Hamster Kombat wallet. So what you need to do is, once you've opened this face over here on your smartphone, you click on this airdrop here. You click on connect your Ton wallet, right? So you also click on here, connect your Ton wallet. Right now is bringing the varieties of wallet to choose from. However, I'm going to go with open wallet in Telegram. If you watch, this is even one of the major ones that they even sidelined for you. This open wallet in Telegram. Okay, so do not be scared, it is secure, right? So I'm going to click on open wallet in Telegram. It says your space is ready. Let's back up. Back up to never lose access to your turn space. So now I'm going to back up via my email. I'm going to now back it up, adding my email, back up via email, and I'll add my email right now. So guys, I tried to back it up with my email. However, I was not getting any code. So I had to now click on this. Let me show you. I had to click on this backup manually, right? I click on backup manually and it showed me this 24 recovery words, right? 24 recovery word, which I have to save that, and I'm going to save it under my email so that I can be accessible. It can be accessible to me anytime I want, okay? So I click on continue, and right now it's asking me to, let's check that you wrote them down correctly. Please enter the words 6, 9, and 16, which I'm also going to do right now. Now it says wallet was successfully backed up. You can find your secret recovery phrase in the wallet setting. I'm going to click on view my done space. So can you see it says Hamster Combat has now connected, right? So this is now my own wallet address. Okay, it says connect your crypto wallet if you don't have one, create one. But I've done that already. So I cancel it. Now, can you see it is showing this tick sign over here, showing that it has connected my wallet. I have connected this my Ton wallet already. Okay, and now this is done, right? I have done this already. So let me go back. Let me swipe down and go back again so that you guys can see how it is. Okay, thank you, Hamster. It is still connected, yes. So guys, for more updates on this Hamster Combat or even other airdrops like Blum and lots more, follow this my channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I am dropping daily updates on how to decipher this, you know, hamster code, and even how to get this 5 million daily card combo. Can you say I've gotten mine already? Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you too can be getting yours every single day on my channel, and you would not want to miss that. Okay, even over here you can see it is showing 374.73k per hour profit. It is counting on its own. Can you see I am not even tapping? So guys, all this update I'll be dropping for you on my channel here, and I'm sure you don't want to miss that out. So kindly smash that subscribe button and also the like button and turn on the bell notification icon. I will see you guys in my next video as I tell you how to decipher this hamster daily code and also how to get this hamster daily combo 5 million card.